You hear that? And that's a simple fix in every home that lasts forever. No one ever seems to take care of it. It's simple. 2 simple things I'm gonna use and take care of it. 1, 3-in-1 oil and paper towel. That's it. $2.97 at Home Depot. Off of the bounty roll right there on the countertop. Easy. Right, so I'm gonna take care of this real quick for you, alright? Watch this. That squeak on every door in your home, just coming from your hinges right here. 1, 2, 3. That's it. So here's what you do. Take your oil, put your paper towel underneath like this to catch it. And you come like this. Boom, you hit that one. Don't be afraid. Be generous with it. Move it up. Take it down the middle. Alright. These hinges need to clean too. Alright, this one now. Generosity. Generosity when you're dealing with these hinges. Generosity helps it. Boom. Third one. Watch this. It's gonna be magic. You can't see me, right? Watch them appear real quick. Boom. Good. Now watch this. No squeak. Squeak free. You hear that? That's all you need. Okay? That's the maintenance guy. Alright? Now what I would do, if I were you, I would put that on a biannual maintenance for your home. So every 6 months, I'll go around and hit all the door hinges with this. And this. And your result, now you can sleep free. I can get up, go to the bathroom at night. She could be sleeping. Won't get up, won't hear it. Alright, keep it locked, the maintenance guy. Now, don't forget, like, subscribe, comment, and share this. Because they need to hear this.
So while you
okay?
have the time, go there and grab it. Me find the key to success, me a go pull the lock. Let in me friends, them we a go pull the spot. Them padlock the door, but the window crack. The gate no open, but the hinge is locked. The key to success, me a go pull the lock. Let in me friends, them we a go pull the spot. Them padlock the door, but the window crack. The gate no open, but the hinge is locked. Hey, turn it up, read him up. Come in no in, now them is him and skizz him up. No, give me everything, stick him up, stick him up. This off of the Nebraska, Wally man, kick him up. I've been so patiently waiting, sitting around here anticipating. But while the haters on the corner debating, I lock the door, them no warm if it's skating. No, give me way, oh, my dogs, them supper. Oh, my time, my life, my right, my wife, Corazoni. Her life still flow slow like milk we condense. No chat, no talk, no pre, no conference. No. Cause if you discover Zoni, you take the offense. Hey, Tonio.